Hello guys, today's recipe will be Norwegian almond cake. Very tasty almond cake and amazing almond lemony frosting. Hello guys, my name is Dimitri and it's 1001 calories. Every other day I'm cooking and sharing with you different recipes from all over the world. If you like them, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. So let's jump to the recipe. First thing, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, mix sugar with 1 egg, almond extract and the milk. Mix well all together. Add flour, add baking powder, mix and add melted butter. Mix together again. Add chopped almonds. Mix well all together. Place your butter in a pan. It's supposed to be special Scandinavian pan, but I didn't have one, so I baked in this one. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your frosting with icing sugar, almond extract and heavy cream. Beat all together. Then depend how thick you want your frosting, add more or less lemon juice. Juice of 1 lemon. Whisk together. And the frosting is ready. Take out your cake when it's cooked. Allow it to cool. Serve your cake with the frosting and some sliced almonds. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you after tomorrow with new worldwide recipes.